As soon as we got done trying the crank, I heard a ticking noise, and I noticed that we have a blinker.
It's a left one. Let's look over here. Try the right one.
Oh.
I hear it.
Pretty sure it's the right one, but you can't see it. Let's go see. Yep, it's the right one. I'm gonna go turn it off.
Look at the rear and see if it's flashing back there.
It's flashing! It's flashing!
All right. Let's see if the left one flashes. Move it back over.
I don't think it does flash. Oh.
We got flashers.
Yeah. How do I turn this off?
Put it in the middle.